Station. Station Surface Paradise.
The next station is Surface Paradise. Exit here for queue time. Remember to touch your go-card to a card reader or station control at the beginning and then by the entry. If you require any assistance, happy to help.
Well, you going with Cameron and Madeline?
Please exit from the left-hand side.
Yeah, but you can make your own.
Crossing up to
Yeah.